All right, guys, it's time. Like the best drum beat you've ever heard. Oh, look how pretty. All right. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, it's so heavy. Oh, versatile, powerful, revolutionary. Oh my gosh. I haven't been so excited and so more tools, more materials, more possibilities. Okay, so this one comes with the Cricut Maker, ultimate smart cutting machine with an expandable suite of tools, works with hundreds of materials and cuts fabrics, maybe balsa, mat board, and more. And it also comes with a premium fine point blade, a rotary blade, one fine point pen, it looks black, a knife blade. Oh, these are additional things that don't come. Additional knife blade, scoring wheel, washable fabric pen, and calligraphy pen, and a double scoring wheel tip. So those don't come. Well, that's sad. All right, let's see. Let me turn this around. Okay, let's get started. So, to begin, go to Cricut.com/setup. So I assume this is maybe like instructions. Oh, I don't want to tear up anything. Oh, materials for your first project. Oh, how cute is that? Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Materials for your first project. And a little C for Cricut. This one says, open me first. A little welcome. You've got this and you've got us. Need help before going back to the store? Use these resources. Oh, I love that. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Then you got this Cricut Maker welcome book. Pretty pictures. Differences in blades. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have the best time with this. Under here, you have your cable cord for the computer. That fine point pen. I think this is a blade top. There, one more thing. Two blades, I thought. Oh, maybe it's in the maker. Oh, I love the the way it's all cute. All right, so I just wanted to stay nice and new so that when I actually play with it later, I can open it again. Double the presents. Oh, my cutting board is pink. Oh, so it is sticky. Okay. I was wondering. All right, it's so cute. Technically rose colored, but oh, that's fancy. There's nothing in there. Just a really strong way to keep the box together. Huh, never seen that. I might reuse those or something. Apparently, I haven't bought enough expensive stuff. Oh, I got two. Oh my gosh. Light grip. Oh, light grip, fabric grip. Okay, whatever that means. Okay. And for the creme de la creme. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, even though this is just foam wrapping or whatever this nice white stuff is called, I don't know, they still put a label on it. So I love that they're like packaging things all cute. Oh, you guys. Seriously? Look. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. Can you see the color? My light is like not great, but oh my gosh. Look at that. It is seriously heavy though. Like seriously heavy. All right, let's see. What else is in here? Power cord. Oh, salts. Okay, I think that's it. Oops, I knocked over my paints. Oh, such a beauty. I was gonna say, is that a mark? We don't like marks on the new things. I don't know where my box cutter went. Oh, you guys. Oh, I'm in love. Oh, oh, I'm in love. You don't want to come? Oh, I guess I have to wait until I turn you on. But man, are you pretty. Oh, that. Oh man, are you pretty? Oh, okay. Well, until later, my beauty. Until later. Wait a minute. There just be some. Okay. We're not playing that. Okay, we're gonna let you make it. Oh, I will be back, beauty.